Hello everyone, good to be with you on this Wednesday. This is meteorologist Erica Rascaet at the One News Weather Center with your local weather report. Well, taking a look at the headlines, we are expecting windy pattern throughout the next couple days, especially tonight and into the Thursday morning hours with wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So breezy tonight and into Thursday morning, and then cool and showery expected across most of the inland northwest, and that's going to last throughout the rest of the work week. But taking a look at the weekend, we are expecting improving conditions, especially for us here across the Columbia Basin. Conditions throughout the past 24 hours across iFIBER, we did see highs reaching into the upper 50s, more or less where we should have been for this time of the year. And overnight lows did reach into the mid-30s, where we should have been. Now, we did see some light rain and drizzle across iFIBER and even across the Columbia Basin as a cold front worked its way across most of the state of Washington. Temperatures did reach into the lower 60s. Some areas didn't even reach that 60-degree mark. We stayed in the upper 50s, and that's exactly where we should have been for this time of the year. Overnight lows just a few degrees above of where we should have been for this time of the year. Sunset at 7:10 p.m. So here's what we can expect. Current conditions in the mid to lower 50s, still peaks of sunshine, but apart from that, mostly cloudy skies, as winds will continue to blow mainly from the southwest, but much stronger, up to 25 miles per hour. Dew point temperature is pretty far from the actual temperature, and that basically just means that for us here across the iFIBER and the Columbia Basin, dry conditions will prevail throughout most of the night. So here's what we saw throughout the past 24 hours. We have a high pressure system that remains across the Pacific. Meanwhile, cold front did cross through today, and that left a few showers across the coastal areas, some snow across the mountains. But the bulk of the moisture was across most of the inland northwest, and that's going to continue to remain showery throughout the rest of the work week. So here's what we can expect throughout the next 24 to 36 hours. Abundant moisture all across, especially across the coastal areas, the Cascades, even seeing some snow. Could even see up to a foot of snow throughout most of the overnight hours and into the Thursday morning. And here's that cold front still working its way across the inland northwest. A few showers still expected, and that's going to rapidly continue to work its way into the Rockies. Throughout tonight and into the day on Thursday, for us here across the Columbia Basin, we are expecting to remain relatively dry. We're the lucky ones here on the map, although a few snow showers still expected across the Cascades, and the rain will continue. Now, why, you ask? Because we have that system over the Pacific continue to leave us abundant moisture all across, and that's going to continue to allow us some moisture. But taking a look at the weekend, conditions will slowly continue to improve, although we could still see a few rain and snow showers across the inland northwest on Friday, slowly improving for Saturday into Sunday, as we can see, especially across most of the state of Washington. So weather conditions throughout the day on Thursday will remain relatively cool and showery across the inland northwest, even across the Cascades and coastal areas. Temperatures all across in the 40s, but for us here across the Columbia Basin and iFIBER, temperatures will remain roughly in the lower 50s with partly to mostly sunny skies expected throughout the afternoon. Just a few lingering showers expected, but not counting on that. So, extended outlook, we're looking good for the weekend. Breezy throughout the afternoon on Thursday, dry conditions for the weekend, and then mild temperatures expected for Tuesday and Wednesday. That's all for now, but we'll be right back with some sports.